Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 2nd of October, it's Monday, and it's a new month. And I've done so well last month, I've actually already got my 5% in for this month if I wanted to take it. But I'm going to let it run a little bit longer. We'll start with the Oct USD. That's come down nicely for us. Another red candle. It's coming down to test the 78 level again. This is second time it's been down here. It's got a little bit of support, as we can see, and it's just sort of probably break over that in the next hour or so. But we'll see what happens. The commercial short 6.98 on this. The commitment to traders report, the AUD had a very negative volume and open interest result, and it had a very negative, it had the biggest extreme position over the last 12 months. So it really is high and wide for a fall, according to the commitment of traders. Pound USD, where we've seen the pound fall this morning. We've got it's 9.21, so we've got a red flag out for the pound at 9.30. So if that's some good news, it might just recover a bit. Other than which, this is my first target was 132. We have a short ratio for the pair, yeah, of 1.22, and we're just above the 50 on the RSI. If we break below it, that'll sort of put us in a bearish position for that. USD CAD. We've seen a weakness in the oil price, which obviously gives us weakness in the Canadian dollar. We're coming up to test the 125 again, 1.25. There's this little bit of resistance that we've got here. We've come up once, come up twice. This is the third time. We're well above the 50 on the RSI, and we've been going up for a long time. So I see this continuing up. Euro USD, I've got some nice trades in here. I'm very pleased with this. This is the third time it's come down to test this. It's the 1.17 area. So we'll see if we can break that today and confirm the downwards movement, because that's really like the bottom of the heavy support across here. So we'll see how that goes. USD Japanese yen, it's we've had a bit of strength in the dollar again, or weakness. I think it was strength in the dollar, and we've come up. We've got resistance at 113.29, and we'll see how it goes with this. But I would like to see the RSI go above the 69.1 and then come back down before I get in this short again. I've gone out at the red line. I'm not over keen at getting back in. I see the dollar and the Japanese yen as bullish, so I'd rather take a cross on this, and I'm completely out. I haven't got a trade on this pair. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, weakness again in the New Zealand dollar. I've done very well on the crosses with this. I haven't got a trade on this, but it's I think this is just going to follow on down through. The commercial short ratio has fallen to 2.32, but it is below the 50 on the RSI, and it is pointing down. So we'll see how that goes, but I think there's a lot of more weakness to come in the New Zealand dollar. Silver. Well, I've got both trades now in profit, and as far as I can see, this will follow on through down, and this is a positive swap on the spreads, so that's a nice trade. I'm very sad I missed the top here. Oh, you know, that really grieved me. I got in and I got knocked out a couple of times, but you know. Oil, this is a 4 hour chart because it's a new contract. I got in about 52. It came down and this nice big red candle here, and it's faltering. It's finding support here at 51.4. But I think that's going to break. We're below the 50 on the RSI and we are pointing down. So I think that's going to break. We'll see what happens later on, but that's it for today. Okay, well, thank you all for watching. You know, my crosses are on the member center with my charts and what I do for the week. So hopefully see you all tomorrow. Cheers.